I like to boil eggs, and sometimes I just want to eat one egg, so I hate that I have to use such a big pot. So I got this mini cast iron pot, which I'm super excited about. It comes with a little thing to sauce it, and it comes with a cup as well, and then the pot itself. You can use this for multiple different things. I personally am going to be using this to boil eggs. I don't think I'll need that right now, but it comes with a nice lid with gold detailing. It is a little bit heavy, but that's any cast iron skillet. So I'm gonna go ahead, fill this up with water and boil my egg. I filled it up about that much. I'm going to drop my egg in there, and call me crazy, I'm using the big one, but I'm just gonna turn it on, and then I'm gonna put my lid on. This is just like any other cast iron skillet. It's going to do everything that another cast iron skillet. It's just a pot version, which is just going to be non-stick. It's going to be able to cook your food better, and anything is good with a cast iron. So if you're looking for something to maybe make eggs in, or to boil tea, or literally whatever you want, I've been really wanting one since I tried out my friend's when I went to her house and she had one of these. I really like it, and it makes my eggs taste really good. But if you're looking for a mini cast iron pot, this definitely is a good choice, and it's super cute. I'm Kenzie. I'm gonna let my egg boil, and then I'm gonna eat it. I'll see you next time.